Hello guys and welcome back to another iMovie Basics tutorial. Today we are taking a look at sound effects in iMovie. So I'm going to be using this video clip. Actually no, I'm going to use just a picture here to put the sound effects on. It's easier than me filming something, but the techniques will all still be the same. So now we'll jump right into it. To start, I'm going to go into the content library and look at sound effects. It'll appear in my event browser up here, and we can look at all the sound effects they have. Right now I'm in the jingles folder, but I'll probably go to the ambience folder. So let's say I just wanted the graphic sound effect here in this nice serene scene here, and I'm gonna drop in the sound effect, and it goes right under the clip, and the sound effect will be there. Now I can add other sound effects and they will appear below or above, whichever one you want to be more dominant. And now you can go into the audio effects. As always, you can look at the volume, and you can edit these using the equalizers and all the normal effects. So that's about it, guys, for this quick tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. A rating would be much appreciated. Comment for suggestions, subscribe for more videos,